The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, good evening, everyone. Time now 7:18. High pressure is going to influence us all week long. And while today was beautiful, each day from now on is going to get hotter and hotter. Mostly clear skies is going to stick with us. Humidity is also going to increase, which means the stray chance for a stray shower over the coming days as well. Mild mornings and then some really warm afternoons are ahead of us. Let's have a look at right now, though. Skycam Network showing a beautiful sunset out at Virginia Tech. Temperatures 72 out there. Right here in Roanoke, 76. Martinsville, 77. And Wytheville at 69. Skies are going to stay mostly clear all night long. We'll have some clouds build in from time to time, but temperatures will continue to decline hour by hour. It's going to be a fantastic evening to walk the dog, maybe a couple minutes extra longer just because it feels refreshing outside. The humidity is fairly low this evening. Now, Future Tracker at 8 p.m. showing that we could see some of those partly cloudy skies sort of erupt around midnight. Could see a stray shower, but I don't really think we will. I think everyone stays dry throughout the rest of our Tuesday. Once we wake up on Wednesday morning, temperatures out in the NRV really chilly in some spots. Blacksburg 51. Going to need that coat in the morning, as you have had to need it for the past couple of mornings thanks to the cooler air that is built in. Across the Roanoke Valley, 57 to about 58. Lynchburg 57. South Boston, Danville, and Martinsville anywhere from 56 to 58. Covington and Hot Springs 53 to 55 degrees. Tomorrow's afternoon temperature is going to be just a hair warmer than what we saw today, maybe 3 to 4 degrees. Roanoke gets to about 84, Bedford 83, same goes for Lexington, Pulaski 81, Martinsville 83, Hillsville 77, and Alta Vista and the Hill City at 84 degrees come tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at what we're tracking going into our Wednesday. It's not going to be that humid as low pressure is going to build out. High pressure is going to start to build in for the next couple days. So that's the key ingredient. That means it's going to be getting hotter and hotter come Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So high pressure is going to actually move over here throughout the weekend, and so it's going to be fairly warm. Have a look at what the Climate Prediction Center says. Warmer than average, about 5 to 10 degrees above average temperatures in some areas, some spots near 20 degrees above average. You see Friday's forecast high, 95 degrees. The other day we were talking about 90, 91. Now it's getting pretty hot. So we've got the model runs coming in. They're saying that it's going to be warmer, and that's exactly what we're expecting. And it's going to stay that way through your Father's Day weekend and into next week as well. Now we are flirting with some records, 95 degrees, Danville, Roanoke, and Lynchburg. All in jeopardy, especially Roanoke and Lynchburg. 94 and 95 for your record highs. Blacksburg could get very close to record-breaking temperatures as well. Switch gears a little bit. Let's talk about the big flooding event that's happening down in South Florida right now, building through Fort Myers, Naples, Miami, and south of the I-4 corridor that spans from Tampa to Orlando. This is how much rain they could be receiving this week. 8 to 10 inches in this area. And if you're familiar with Cape Coral, that's exactly where Hurricane Ian made landfall 3 years ago. That dropped a lot of rain in this area. So expecting about 2 to 10 inches in some areas with some isolated spots, seeing possibly 15, 16 inches of rain throughout the next several days. Here's a look at your extended forecast. Flag Day on Friday, 95 degrees. Slight chance of a shower both Thursday and Friday. And then Father's Day looks mostly dry with temperatures cooling off just a little bit, thanks to partly cloudy skies.